Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to get 4K quality in Capcut PC. So this is a Capcut video editing tutorial, and first to be able to get started, just go ahead and click onto the new project on your Capcut. Now, once you're already in here, the first thing that we need to do is to import in here the video that we want to go ahead and get the 4K quality. So you could simply click onto this to browse to your different folders, or you could just simply drag and drop the video that you want to use. So it should look something like this. Right after that, we're just going to drag this onto the time frame just like that. The next step that we need to do in here is just head here onto the upper left corner of the screen and click onto effects. Here, onto effects, we have two options, the video effects and the body effects. So we're going to need something in here in the video effects. So we'll just need to go ahead and expand this, and then we're going to scroll down until you find in cartoon in here. Click onto that, and we'll need to scroll down until you find in this specific option, which is the black and white sketch. So you could just simply drag and drop it just like that. And then we could just expand this so that it should be covering the whole video just like that. So it should look something like this. And then right after, what we need to do in here. Now the next effect that we'll need in here is this one. It is still under cartoon. This one is called neon. So we're going to go ahead and drag and drop it in here. And then we'll do the same thing of dragging it so that it would fit the whole video that we have in here. So it should look something like this already. Now we're going to go ahead and try to export this one. Click on to export in here, and then we'll just have to wait for this. Now right after that, we're going to click on to cancel. We're going to remove this other filter in here, which is the neon. And then we're going to go ahead and search for the blur effect in here. Do the same thing, drag and drop it just like that, and then we'll just need to have this fit the video in here, and then we'll export this one as well. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto export in here. Now once this is all done, what we need to do right after is to click onto cancel, head back here onto the video, and we'll remove all of the effects in here. So we're gonna click onto media in here onto the upper left corner of the screen, and then we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop or import in here the videos that we just recently exported. So we'll just need to find in the video first. So it should look something like this. So we'll start onto the first video that we have exported. So we're going to click onto this one. And then right after here, onto the right side, we're going to go ahead and try to scroll down in here until you find in the blend option. So we're going to expand the blend option in here. And onto the mode of this one, we're going to go ahead and try to choose color burn. So this one. And then we're going to go ahead and adjust this one up until 35. And then we're going to go ahead and try to click onto the other video, which is this one. And the same thing, head onto the blend. And then we'll choose the color dodge in here. And we're going to have this adjust this at around 5 in here. And it should look something like this already. And then right after, since we have added that, we're just going to head here onto the adjustments, and then we could add in a custom adjustment for this. So you could just simply go ahead and drag it just like that so that it would fit the video. And then right after here onto the adjustments, here onto the right side, it will give you an options to tweak this. So what we need to do is we could adjust the sharpness for this. So you could make it higher. Try to see if it looks nice already. Add in some clarity for that. You could add in some shadows as well. Add in some highlights. And you could just adjust this as per your liking. And it should look something like this. So you can see we have already tweaked the video in here. We're going to go ahead and try to export that one already once you're already satisfied. And here on to exporting this, we actually have an option in here to go ahead and change the resolution. So make sure this one is around 4K, and then click on to export to go ahead and download the video. And now as you can see, if we do a comparison, this is the difference of both. And that is just basically it onto how to get a 4K quality in Capcut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.